Hi. Welcome to the virtual diagnostic point. People come here for a health check to make sure they don't have any health conditions. For now, you can walk around and have fun. When you're ready to start the simulation, simply open the door. Alright. Now it's time to start the simulation. Let me briefly present you what we have here. There are 3 medical sensors on the desk in front of you. A thermometer, an ECG monitor, and a blood pressure cuff. This differs from the real world because usually we equip the kiosk with more devices. However, the final configuration always depends on our customers' needs. For now, we've configured the kiosk to support these 3. And yes, there's a touch screen above the desk. You can use it to choose what examination you'd like to perform. Simply click one of the 3 buttons to proceed. Okay, let's begin with ECG. You can follow the guidelines visible on the screen. We provide such guidance for every single device to help our users properly perform the examinations. To begin, simply grab the ECG sensor with both hands. Normally, ECG examination in our kiosk lasts for 60 seconds, but since this is just a simulation, we've lowered this to 15 seconds. Hold the device until the examination finishes. Great! The signal we've gathered is now being sent to our Telemedical platform. It will be analyzed by the algorithms or our medical specialists, who are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now you can select another examination. All examinations are analyzed by our artificial intelligence platform. Sometimes the readings from sensors are not enough though, and the algorithms need more data. In such cases, we ask further questions or even launch questionnaires on the screen. To show you what it looks like, we're gonna ask you one question before we start blood pressure monitoring. Do you have hypertension? Choose the answer by clicking the appropriate button on the screen. Now place your hand inside the cuff and wait until it fully inflates. It should take more or less 10 seconds. You can see the results with the description on the screen now. Remember, this isn't real. We've hard-coded these values for the simulation purpose, but they don't correspond to your real blood pressure. If you want to repeat the examination, click the button located in the lower left corner. If you're fine with the results, click the other button to get back to the examination list. There's just one more left. You know what to do. Take the thermometer and hold it close to your forehead. Great job! Now it's time for a report with the analysis. We don't support it yet in this simulation, however you can go outside and see some samples on the tables. Thanks a lot for your time, and don't hesitate to ask our consultants for more information.